Have you ever heard the phrase, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? But then get faced with the crisis of not knowing how to make lemonade, so now you just have a bunch of lemons and no lemonade. Well, today I can help you turn that frown upside down, and we can go through the history of the first lemonade. I can show you how to make the lemonade, and then I can tell you the benefits that lemonade has to society. So let's squeeze into the history of the first lemonade. The idea of making a drink with lemon was started in 14th century Egypt. But that's only the start of the long road that led to lemonade's popularity. The first American recipe for the lemonade was started in 1838. It was made with lemons and egg whites. The 19th century had a lot of the biggest effects to lemonade, starting with the women's Christian temperance movement, which pushed abstinence from alcohol and recommended lemonade instead. The circus also had a huge impact on lemonade, as the stands normally sold lemonade during the circus shows, and they were traveling circuses normally outside, so people would want something to drink. Another big thing that started lemonade's popularity that it is today is in 1918 with the Spanish influenza. Commercials and ads were placed all over that started the belief that lemonade could help cure you completely from the Spanish influenza, but doctors knew that it wasn't an actual cure. Now we can pour some sugar into the demonstration of the lemonade, which is definitely what Def Leppard meant by that song. So you have to start with a cup of water, and then you want a quarter cup full of citric acid or sour, and then you just pour it into the water, and then you'll want to have lemons already cut, and you'll just squeeze them in and then put the lemons in the cup. Normally I use 2, but you can use more or less because the sour is already in it. And then you need sweetener and sugar, and then you can I use 2 packets because if you use less than that, it'll end up being kind of sour, and it depends on what you like. But I normally like 2 of each. And then you just pour them all in like this. And then you'd mix it with a mixer thing, but I just have a spoon, so you just stir it around or shake it up, and then that's a lemonade. Now we can go into the benefits to society. Lemon juice and lemons both have a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help the possibility of you overcoming cancer. The antioxidants and vitamin C in lemons also help prevent the possibility of you getting flu or the common cold. Vitamin C. Another thing that is beneficial is in the middle of winter, when everyone's getting sick, you can remember the lemonade you had and be really happy that it's less likely for you to get any sicknesses. You can also just take the lemons, and if you add it to like aloe vera, it makes a good hair mask for your hair. So next time you see a lemonade stand this summer, you might want to try and get a cup of lemonade. And we can all agree that lemonade is great after we went over the history, how to make it, and the benefits to society. Thank you.